Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about limes, and I have a list of foods that are known to pair well with limes. So if you're looking for something a little bit different to do with limes, what will it go with, what won't it go with, hopefully this will help you out. In the proteins category, that includes legumes, nuts, and seeds, we have almonds, beef, chicken, macadamia nuts, nuts in general, peanuts, pork, seafood, sesame seeds, and tofu. In the way of vegetables that pair well with lime, we have arugula, bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, chilies, cucumbers, jicama, lettuce of all types, mushrooms, onions, scallions, shallots, squash as in winter squash, tomatillos, and tomatoes. In the way of fruits, other fruits that pair well with limes, we have apples, apricots, avocados, bananas, berries in general, blackberries, coconut and other tropical fruits, grapes, guavas, lemons, lychees, mangoes, melons of all types, oranges, papayas, pears, pomegranates, raspberries, strawberries, and watermelon. In the way of grains and grain products that go well with lime, we have corn, graham crackers, noodles, quinoa, and rice. In the dairy and non-dairy product category, there's cheese, coconut milk, and yogurt. And in the other foods category, we have caramel, hoisin, honey, mayonnaise, oil, especially grapeseed, olive, sesame seed, and sunflower seed oils, rum, soy sauce, sugar, tapioca, tequila, and vinegar, particularly champagne vinegar, rice, and sherry vinegars. I do hope this helps you out. Bye for now.